Hi guys, it's Jazzy Rose and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing this pink shimmery eye look. If you guys are interested, please continue watching. First I'm going to go in with my Smashbox 24-hour primer and I'm just going to apply that to my lids. And then I'm just going to set it with loose powder, it doesn't matter what you use. And then I'm going to go in my Cindy Mini palette from Maybelline. This is in Downtown Sunrise. And I'm going to go in with this very neutral brown as my transition color. They don't have name, guys. I'm sorry. Then I'm going to go in with this brown color and I'm just going to apply that right into my crease. Then I'm just going to go back in with that light tan color and just blend everything out and make sure there aren't any harsh lines. Then I'm going to go in, there's actually all these shimmery colors. They're in all different color pinks. And I'm just going to mix them together and apply it to the lids of my eyes with my finger. Then I'm going to go back in with the brown and I'm just going to blend everything just so everything just blends nice and seamlessly. Now I'm going to kind of wing it out with the brown too. You don't really need to be precise with this because we're going to clean it up, but try to wing it out towards your temple. And then just blend it out with that nice neutral tan color just to make sure there's no harsh lines. Then I'm going to go with my Smashbox Photo Finish. This is in Radiance. And I'm just going to apply it to my face. Then for my foundation, I'm going to go in with the Natural Radiant Longwear from NARS. This is in Fiji. And just in a patting motion, I'm going to take my foundation brush. This is from Morphe. Just blend everything out. I will leave all of the brushes that I use in the description box for you guys. Then for my concealer, I'm going to go in with my Double Wear Concealer from Estee Lauder. This is in Light. And I'm just going to apply to the sides of my nose, underneath my eyes. And then to clean it up, guys, you're going to just do a nice sharp edge, kind of like a wing if you were cleaning it up. And that's going to give you that nice sharp look. This will make your eyes look bigger. And then just blend it out in a patting motion with your beauty blender and wipe that area, guys, just so you get that nice clean edge. Then to contour, I'm going to use my shape lifter from Urban Decay. This is in light medium. And I'm going to go in with this nice brown color to contour my face. I'm going to do that little stupid kissy fish face that I do to get the lines on my cheek perfect. And then I'm going to apply some to my forehead. Same thing, stupid little face that I do. And I'm going to do my chin, under my lip, and my jawline. And then I'm just going to blend everything out nicely with my beauty blender. Then to set my contour, I'm going to go into the powder side of my shape lifter and I'm just going to apply the powder exactly where I put the cream contour. Then I'm going to go in with my pink leopard. This is from Too Faced. I just want to bronze my face up a little bit. And I'm just going to go over in the areas that I did the contour with. Now I'm going to contour my nose. I wait till last to do this. I don't know why. I just find it easier. If you guys want to do it while you're contouring your face, go ahead. But I'm doing the same exact steps as I did for my face. I'm using the cream contour first. And then I'll be going in with the powder to set it. Yeah, I did that, guys. Shit happens, is what it is. Now just blend it out lightly with your beauty blender. And you're going to go in with the powder now and just set everything. Then go back in with your damp beauty blender and just blend it out slightly, guys. Now to set our concealer, I'm going to go in with the light powder and I'm just going to dab it on to the areas that I use the concealer. Then for blush, I'm going to go with my Milani brush. This is in Blossom Time Rose. And I'm just going to apply this to the apples of my cheek. Then you're going to go back in with that brown color that we put in our crease. And I'm just going to apply this underneath my lower lash line. And I'm going to make sure that sharp edge and everything connects nice and beautifully, guys. Then I'm going to go with this light pale pink color. And I'm just going to apply that to the upper brow bone. I'm going to go back into the shape lifter. I'm going to use the cream side. I'm going to apply it on my cheekbone, above my lip, like I said, on my cheekbone, above my eyebrow, and I kind of blend it into the cheekbone as well. And then the tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, and then I go in with the powder and I just go right over what I just did with the cream color. Guys, the highlighter on this shit is amazing. Freaking love it. Then for mascara, I'm going to go in with Better Than Sex from Too Faced. I did a whole tutorial on how I get my natural eyelashes the way that I do with mascara. So if you guys are interested, I will leave a link in the description box for you guys. For my lipstick, I'm going to go in with Tristic. This is in Nantucket Nude. And I'm just going to apply this to my lips. And then from MAC, this is in Blankety Amplified. And I'm just going to go right over what I just did with the Nantucket Nude and give it a nice finger blend. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.